Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can tag maps for locations on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and search for the location that you want to tag. So in my case, I'm just going to go into New York, and here in New York, what you're going to do is you're just going to, well, search for any address, any location, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to go into Manhattan for this one, and once you're here, you can very easily just click on any sort of space you want, and that is pretty much a tag. However, if you want to permanently tag it, you can right click it and you can add a missing place or add your business if you have that, and that's going to add the tag to the map permanently, and that's going to be available for everyone. Other than that, you can also just find whichever address you would like. So for example, let's say this address, and that's going to come up as 155 East 73rd Street, and you can just copy over that address, and you can go into your data and maps and set either your home or work address as that, and that's also going to tag it. Other than that, you can create custom maps under your maps, and here you can add custom tags or points such as these, and that is pretty much how you're going to add those points. And once you save the map, those points will be saved, and that is pretty much how you can tag them. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.